How to add your zip code on Truecaller app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you add zip code on Truecaller app. If you want to add zip code on your Truecaller app, you could follow these steps. So for that, you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store before that. So go to Play Store for an update. And once you type in Play Store, on the search box you want to type in Truecaller and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date, click the open button and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So here what you want to do is click the profile from the top right hand side corner, and then you want to click on complete your profile, under which you could find your information and all that. So scroll down a bit and you could find the address section where you could go ahead and enter the zip code. So first of all, enter in the street address, zip code, and the city as well as the country, and make sure to tap on the save button in the top right hand side corner or at the bottom of the page, and you'll have successfully added a zip code on your Truecaller app. So that is the way you could go ahead and add your zip code on Truecaller app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.